If you're spending around €150 on a projector, here's the one thing to understand before you buy. This is the exact price where a genuinely good projector and an overpriced one look almost identical in the dark. So the whole game is knowing what actually matters, and most people get it completely backwards. Let me show you how, so you don't waste your money. Here's how people get it wrong. They reach this budget and start paying extra for brightness, the big lumens numbers on the box. But in a dark or dim room, which is where you'll really watch, that extra brightness does almost nothing. You're paying for a feature your room cancels out. The other trap is resolution. A box shouts 1080p or 4K, but the small print says supported, meaning the real panel inside is far lower and the picture comes out soft. And there's a quieter mistake too. People buy from a random seller to save €10, and then there's no warranty and no one to contact when the focus drifts a few weeks later. So at €150, here's what to actually look for. True native 1080p. The resolution you're promised is the one you see. A picture that focuses and straightens itself, so it's sharp every time without you fiddling. And the app's built in, so it runs on its own with no extra box. Nail those. Watch in the evening, and your picture matches projectors costing 2 or 3 times more. The one that does all three at this price is the Simplify Tech CineX 1080p. Real native 1080p. It focuses and levels itself the moment you set it down, and Netflix, YouTube, and Prime are built in. It's palm-sized, a 120-inch picture on any wall or ceiling, your phone mirrored in about 10 seconds. Point it at the ceiling and you can watch lying flat in bed. A few minutes in, you forget it's a budget projector at all. Straight with you. It's built for a dark or dim room. Evenings, curtains drawn, brilliant. Bright midday sun will fade it, like any projector at this price. If your movie time is the evening, it's perfect. And for most of us, it is. If you want it, right now it's under €150. Shipping free from a local European warehouse. Days, not weeks. No custom surprise. With a 6-month warranty and a 30-day, no questions, money-back guarantee. One honest heads up, that price is going up soon. And one free tip worth more than any spec. A €10 blackout blind and a flat matte white wall do more for your picture than spending extra on the projector ever will. Sort the light and the surface first. It's linked below at simplifytech.shop if you want it. But either way, now you know what actually matters around €150. See you in the next one.